Welcome to SageGlass, the largest and most advanced electrochromic facility in the world. Our team is a group of thinkers, innovators, and designers out to change the way people think about glass. Let's go inside. There are 5 departments in the SageGlass production team. These are the front end, TLS and lamination, the IG department, final test and crating, and the warehouse. Over the next several minutes, we'll offer position descriptions and job-related specifics that we hope will assist you in your decision to join our team. Welcome to the front end. Here you'll find the most high-tech and high-performance equipment used in the manufacturing of SageGlass. We'll use sputter coaters, cutting lasers, and robots to coat our panels with the vital materials that allow our panels to tint. The duties of our front-end team members include monitoring our process on multi-display workstations, inspecting for quality, feeding glass onto the line, and the performance of routine maintenance. Team members in the front end tend to be detail-oriented, attentive, and have the ability to focus on data monitoring and analysis. Individuals in this department may be responsible for driving a forklift, a scissor lift, or a side loader like the one you see here. Our team members are also a part of the disassembly, care, and maintenance of our removable coater parts. If you're looking for a high-tech, clean manufacturing environment with low physical impact, the front end is a great place to work. Welcome to TLS and Lamination, the second department of our process line. Here, our team members wear cut-resistant Kevlar while inspecting our coated panels for damage, and sometimes breaking the panels to size by hand. Our washer load and printer operator is responsible for organizing and staging glass racks using a forklift before using a vacuum hoist to load the glass onto the line. After passing through a washer and printer, the glass enters a clean room where the team member inside will use automated equipment to cut matching inner layers used to bind the glass together. Our cleanroom operators work in full cleanroom suits as well as cut-resistant PPE at all times, and typically work independently with support by radio. Once the glass and inner layer stacks have been inspected and aligned, the glass will be heated, pressed, and pressurized to create a laminate. Our team members in charge of this process use a large overhead crane to load stacks of clave trays and a forklift to move the trays into and out of an autoclave. After cycling, our final team member in the lamination department will use an electronic inspection system to spot and remove any contamination before the glass is loaded into our automatic sorter. TLS and Lamination is a very active department where many team members specialize in their individual workstations, but also have regular opportunities to cross-train in other departments due to their speed and efficiency. If you're looking for a position where you can become the expert in your area and also have regular opportunities to cross-train elsewhere in the plant, a position in TLS and Lamination may be right for you. IG stands for insulated glazing. And here, in our IG department, we take our coated laminates, additional glass panes, spacer frames, and sealants, and use them to complete the fabrication of our IGUs. At the first station on the IG line, you'll find our team members using a forklift and vacuum hoist to load our line with coated electrochromic glass. After the glass passes through a series of washers, it makes its way to our first solder station, where an operator will use a soldering tool on a multi-axis rail system to make our first connection to the bus bars that power our coatings. Elsewhere on the line, the builder and bender have been assembling spacer frames and filling them with desiccant before applying a bead of sealant and placing the frame onto one of our lights. Next, the IGU will be pressed and filled with gas before being sent to one of our 6 solder tables. Here, our team members utilize airflow technology to assist them in soldering control wires to the IGU, making our glass functional. For our final step in the IG department, the IGUs are sent through the secondary seal robot where our team members work diligently to manipulate and perfect our sealant and ensure the IGUs leave customer ready. IG is a large department with many different skills to be practiced and mastered. If you're looking for a classic manufacturing environment, the IG department may be right for you. Final test and crating is the last department in our process line. Here, we inspect each and every device for quality before preparing them for shipment. A day in the life of our crew may include the operation of a vacuum lift, a side loader, or a repair laser, in addition to the inspection of dozens of devices each day. Working in final test requires great attention to detail along with some basic math and measurement skills. Our crating team are responsible for cleaning, labeling, and packing our devices as they are removed from the production line. They regularly use forklifts and a large overhead crane to move finished goods about the facility. Final test and crating is a fast-paced environment where diligence and attention to detail are key. If you're looking for an active, quality type role, a position in this department may be great for you. Our warehouse here at Sage operates much the same as warehouses in other manufacturing facilities. Our team gets the opportunity to touch every raw material that comes in the door, as well as every device that ships out to customers. The majority of our team members may be found here at HVM, but a small crew also works out of a second off-site warehouse where crates are staged for final delivery. Much of the work that our warehouse team handles involves the operation of equipment, such as forklifts, telescopic handlers, multi-directional side loaders, and box trucks. Individuals can also expect to interact often with drivers while loading or unloading goods at the shipping dock, or using computers or tablets to track the receipt and movement of raw materials and finished goods. Consistent radio communication and teamwork with the production team are also vital to this role. Our warehouse team at Sage is looking for strong communicators, safe and efficient equipment operators, and people with strong time management and organizational skills. So these are the 5 departments of production. Thanks for taking a look at SageGlass. We hope that this overview helps with your decision to join our team.